Abisala mga Encantadix! Sa previous episode ng Sangre Acts, muntikan na kami mag-away ni Vito bilang mga aspiring directors. Pero buti na lang, nandito ang tunay, ang Lodi. Kaya naman we're continuing our kwentuhan with Direk Enzo. Yes, napag-usapan natin ang memorable scenes for him as a director. Ngayon naman, mas personal. Or controversial. Na kwento ang ating maririnig mula sa ating director ng Sangre. At syempre, habang nagkikwentuhan tayo, perfect din to para sa chill bonding moment. Kagaya ng mabilisang drive-thru stop sa McDonald's. Minsan kasi, after a long shoot, pagod na. Wala nang energy. So, kailangan ng much malaki at much pinasarap na Chicken McDo with fries and drink. Kaya tara, kain tayo! Chicken McDo tayo! Kahit saan ka galing, mas masarap magpahinga kapag may mainit na pagkain na swak sa panlasa. You know, tara Direk Enzo, simulan na natin yung part 2. Let's go!
Okay.
From your POV as director po, Direk, sino po yung favorite character mo or anong brilyante yung gusto mong pangalagaan?
Of course, wala. Dapat wala. Siyempre, wala. Mahal mo sila all the same. Pero yung second question mo, the other question of brilyante,
Na gusto mo pong pangalagaan, no po?
hindi nyo i-expect kung ano yung sasabihin ko. And I cannot say it pa kung ano yun. Siguro pag nakita nyo yung finale, then you would understand kung ano yung mas gusto kong brilyante.
Anong scene naman, Rek, yung hindi mo ine-expect na ganun yung magiging reaction ng viewers?
What they're not expecting is kung gaano ka-powerful si Mitena.
Mitena.
So everybody was expecting somehow na it's gonna be a normal, a fight na may laban sila. Kahit yung apat na Sangre mahirapan kung si Mitena lang yung kalaban. Yeah. Kasi kung si Mitena lang on her own, tapos alam natin na apat yung Sangre natin, pag nag-combine yung apat, hindi pa rin sila lamang kay Mitena because she is that powerful.
Can you give us a little tease on the transformation of the new Gen Sangres? Kung
okay.
ma-describe mo siya in one word, what would it be?
Mahirap in one word. Yeah, it was a nice shoot. It was a really good shoot. But in respect, I have a tribute dun sa 2016 version of it. Tapos nilagyan na namin yung director ng new style, new flavor.
Ano po yung e-expect ng audience sa mga susunod na episodes ng Sangre?
We have bigger scenes coming up. We got a big battle coming. Alam ko may mga behind the scenes kasi we shot in a place na ang dami nagpo-photo. It should be a surprise and then ang laki ng eksena, so nakaka-excite yun. Learning experience should, maybe since it's the first time that I'm doing a fantasy series. So siguro we just need more time to prepare for the CG shots.
Yes.
Kung paano pinapaganda nila Direk Rico yung mga shots, yung mga effects, this and that. Na minsan nga hindi pa yun yung ine-expect mong maging look when you're shooting it. But then they end up surprising you.
Yes.
Diba? So parang nakaka-excite na siya i-shoot ngayon. Masaya siya i-shoot, but then you just need more time to prepare for the special effects.
Ano naman po yung experience nyo working with the cast dito sa Encantadia Chronicles Sangre, Rek?
I just love the four, kung paano sila talaga mag-prepare sa mga eksena. Sobrang nilang inaalagaan, even the continuity. We all know naman na parang
even them, they're helping us sa continuity ng story, ng arc nila as characters. Pero nakakatuwa lang talaga sila panahon kasi they work as a team. Silang apat.
May connection talaga.
Kasi alam ko whenever, pag dadating sila sa set, may sarili silang tent, and then doon pa lang, nagre-reading na sila on their own, ganyan-ganyan, they're mastering the scene, and then doon sila naguhugatan sa isa't isa.
Yes.
That I see a lot. So yun yung nakakatuwa makita on this one. Kaya I love working with the four.
Rek, sa directing, di ba parang balancing act ang spectacle at emotion? Parang ganun din kasi yung much malaki at much pinasarap na Chicken McDo with fries and drink. Nauhuli nun yung balance ng cravings ko talaga. Kaya tara, kain tayo! Chicken McDo tayo. Kahit saan galing, may drive-thru pa na laging nandyan para mabilis kang maka-order ng Chicken McDo meal on your way home. Para swak na swak habang nanonood ng Sangre. Ibang klase talaga, Vito, yung vision at passion na bumubuo sa bawat eksena ng Sangre. Parang nandun yung tunay na magic eh. At gaya ng ating Lodi, Rector, siguradong lahat tayo busog. Hindi lang sa kwento, kundi sa experience rin ng Sangre Journey. Kaya salamat sa ating Director at sa inyo mga kapuso sa pagsama sa amin dito. Yes, magkita-kita tayong muli dito sa Sangre Acts. Abisala Esma!